Hello children, welcome to another class of computer lesson. So we have already started this chapter. So what is the name of this chapter? Yes, starting Microsoft Office PowerPoint. That means we are learning about the software PowerPoint. PowerPoint means it is a presentation software, right? So to present a topic about a topic to the large audiences using some slides which contain important points, right? Okay, so let's continue. Next we are going to learn about is clip art. What is that? Clip art. C-L-I-P-A-R-T, art, clip art. Clip art means it stores or it is the collections of pictures, sounds, videos that is ready to use or ready to be inserted in the computer files. So what is a clip art? Clip art is a ready-made collections of pictures. Clip art is a ready-made collections of pictures and then ready-made collections of pictures, sounds, movies which are ready to use in the computer files. That means a clip art contains different types of pictures, some ready-made collections of pictures. That means if you want to insert any picture related to your topic, you can go to clip art and then select the picture from there and then insert or drag into your document or in your slide. So that is the clip art. So in PowerPoint, we know there is a clip art in Word. So in that the PowerPoint comes with its own collection of clip art, right? So next is how to add a clip art or how to add a picture from the clip art. How to add a picture from the clip art. So look at the picture, page number 74. So this is the screen of PowerPoint, right? This is the screen of PowerPoint, and in this screen, first on the top of that we can see there are some tabs or components, and then here is the slide area and here the placeholder. Then and on the center we can see there are some icons. So can you see? Yes. So there are some icons. So first icon represents tables. First icon represents tables. Tables. T-A-B-L-E-S. First icon represents table. And the second icon, can you see that? The second icon represents charts. So table means it looks like this, rows and columns, or the combination of rows and columns. Second one is chart. Charts or graph. So that is, it looks like this, charts or graphs. Then the third one is smart art, which contain graphs or different boxes, etc. Then next, fourth one, picture. P-I or image. P-I-C-T-U-R-E. Picture. Then next, audio clips, video clips, etc. Audio, video, etc. So here are some icons and we can easily insert the medium from here. So now our question is how to insert picture using clip art, right? How to insert picture from a clip art. So go to insert tab or click on the clip art icon. So here we can see on the middle of the second row we can see an icon. What is that? Clip art icon. What is its name? Clip art icon. Clip art icon. So it contains clip art icon. First click click on the clip art icon. Click on the clip art icon, and this is a list pane. What is this? This is a list pane. So when we click the clip art icon, a list pane appears at the right side of the screen. A list pane appears at the right side of the screen. And look at here, on the top that name clip art, and then there is a search bar. What is that? Search bar, and the title search. So search bar means you can search here. You can search here. That means type a word and then click go button. What happens? Searching that word or searching the picture related to that word. So first click on the clip art icon, then a list pane or a organized clip pane appears. Then there is a search bar. Then you can enter the word you want to search here. Then click go button. Then the pictures related to that word will appear here. For example, here Mercury. Search what? Mercury. So the pictures of Mercury appears here. Then on the bottom, organize clips. There is an option named organize clips. Organize clip means when we click the organize clips, you can select more pictures from here. That is organize clip. Then so next search box, find related picture. The picture will be displayed. Then the clip art picture. Then after searching the picture, then we can insert that picture into the slide area, right? So what happened? What will you do? Just click on here, click on the picture and drag it into the slide area. Drag it into the slide area. What happens? That picture will be inserted on your slide. So once again, what are the steps? First step, we can see a clip art icon on the middle of the screen. So click on the clip art icon. So first step, click clip art icon. Then second step, a list pane appears. A list pane appears. Then next step, you can see a search bar there. So enter the word, then click OK. Enter word in the search bar and then click OK and then click OK. Then next drag that picture into the slide area. Drag picture into slide area. Yes, drag that picture into slide area. Okay. Then you need to be connected to the internet while using the method. Otherwise, click on organize clips option in the task pane. You need to be connected to the internet while using this method. Otherwise, click on the organize clips. Here, organize clips, and you can select the picture from there. So once again, what is clip art? Clip art means it is the ready-made collections of pictures, audios, videos, etc. which are ready to use in the computer files. In the PowerPoint, there is a huge collection of pictures, and if you want to insert the picture from clip art, what will you do? You have to follow the steps. So what is the first step? Then there is a clip art icon in the middle of the screen. So then you can select the clip art icon from here. here, and then a task pane appears on the right side. Then there is a search bar there, so you can enter a word in the search bar and then click on go button. So what happens? The picture related to that word will appear on there, and then just select the picture you want to insert and then drag it into the slide area, right? Then what happens? That picture will be displayed on your slide area. So this is the way for inserting a picture from a clip art. Understood? Okay. Then moving to next topic, adding a picture from a folder. Adding a picture from a folder. Now we add a picture from clip art. So here adding picture from a folder. So for example, you have a folder which is saved in your desktop, and then you want to take that picture or insert that picture from the folder in the desktop, and then which is inserted on your slide area. So how can we insert a picture from the folder which is present in the desktop into the slide area, right? Okay, so let's see. The clipart collection which comes with the Microsoft Office does not have all type of pictures, right? So clipart have a limited collections of pictures. So if you want to add any pictures, you need to download it, right? But for example, if you downloaded some pictures related to your presentation and it is saved in your desktop, you need to select that picture from here. So how to add a picture from a folder? This is the thing. So first, so here an example, if you want to insert your own picture onto the slide, you must scan or click the picture from a digital camera and store it in some folder on the hard disk. So let's see how to add inserted picture from a required folder. So we know this is the screen, and on the left side of second row you can see an icon, that is picture icon. So that is picture icon. Picture icon. Yes. So you can select pictures from folder by clicking picture icon. So if you want to add a picture from a saved folder, first you need to click the picture icon. So first click the picture icon, then what happens? An insert picture dialog box opens. An insert picture dialog box opens. So which contain pictures library, desktop, then Dropbox, downloads, recent places, etc. Then go to your location and then select the picture. Then there is a button insert. Then click the required picture and click insert button. Then what happens? The picture will be inserted in your slide area. Right? Once again, first click the picture icon. Click picture icon. Second step, then select the picture. Then insert dialog box, insert picture dialog box opens. Insert picture dialog box opens. Insert picture dialog box opens and then select the picture from there. Select the required picture. Select a required picture and then click insert button. Click insert button. Insert button. So what happens? The picture will be inserted on your picture. Will be inserted on your slide area. Inserted on your slide area. Yes. So once again, click picture icon. Then second step, insert picture dialog box opens. Then third step, select the required picture from the folders. And then fourth step, click the insert button. And what happens? Picture will be inserted on your slide area. So look at the picture, page number 75. Here, select the picture from the picture icon. And for example, if you want to add solar system, so just select the picture of solar system and then click insert button. So the image of solar system will be inserted in your slide area. Then next is applying a style to the picture. Applying a style to the picture. So that means after adding the picture, you can apply various picture styles. After inserting the picture in your slide area, you can add various styles. So here, just follow some steps. You can easily select the different styles from the buttons. So first, select the picture and then click on Format tab. So when we select the picture, there is a tab named Contextual tab and then click Format tab. So Format tab, we can see picture shape, picture border, picture effect. Picture shape, picture border, picture effect. And then next, select the picture shape and for example rectangular shape, oval shape, then next various types of shapes are there. Then you can select the required shape. Picture border means you can add a color to the picture border. And then picture effects means you can apply different effects like this oval effect, side view, then top view, etc. These are the type of effects. So you can apply every effects into that picture. So moving to next topic, that is applying different styles. Applying a style to picture. Applying style to pictures. So first step is select the picture. Then go to Format tab. Then Format tab. Click Format tab and then here select the text. You can go to Format tab and then it contains 3 options. What are the 3 options? Picture shape. Picture shape. Then second one, picture border. Picture border. Then third one, picture effect. Picture effect. Yes. So when we click the Format tab, it contains 3 options. What are they? Picture shape, picture border and picture effects. Then first one, picture shape. Picture shape means you can add any picture shape, any shape to that picture, like oval shape, a rectangle shape, circle, square, etc. That means you can give any shape to the picture you selected. That is picture shape. Then next is picture border. Picture border means you can apply some colors to the border. Apply colors to the border. Apply colors to the border. Like green, yellow, blue, orange, red, etc. You can give some colors to the border. And third one, picture effect. Like side view or front view, top view, etc. So that means you can give some effect to the shape. So this first one, select the picture. Second one, click on the Format tab. Third one, scroll through the picture styles. Picture style means here these are the picture styles, and then click on the style that you want to apply. So the style you clicked will appear on the screen. So once again, how to apply some styles to this picture? After adding the picture you selected, then click on that picture, go to Format tab. There are some styles there, and then you can select your required styles like picture. You can change the picture border, picture shape, and also picture effect. So you can change the shape of the picture using picture shape option. Then you can change the border of the picture using picture border, and then you can change some effects on the picture using picture effects. So when you will take the pointer over any style, you will see its immediate preview on the slide. That means when you click the mouse pointer over the style, you can see this thumbnails. You can see the immediate preview of the slide. So what are the things we have learned today? So in this chapter, presentation means presenting about a topic to the large number of audiences. So here we are discussing about presentation software. And what is this name? Its name is PowerPoint and the version is 2007. So there are some components like buttons, tabs, ribbon, etc. We already discussed in our previous class. And then there are some various layouts. What are the layouts? Title layout, then content and title layout, section header, then to content, comparison, title and title only, blank, content with the picture, picture with the caption, etc. For example, to content means one content related, one content which we can add a picture, and with other placeholder we can add some details about that particular picture. For example, here we can see page number 72, there is a laptop and the features of the laptop. So first content you can add the picture of the laptop, and the second content you can add some features. That's the use of to content. When we use comparison layout, that means we can differentiate the two topics in two placeholders or slides. Then next, how to add title and text on the slide. That means you can add title and content slide, and on the title side you can add the name of the topic, for example solar system, and in the content slide you can add main points about the topic. Then next, adding clip art. So clip art means ready-made collections of pictures, sounds, audios which are ready to use in the computer files. In our PowerPoint there are different collections of pictures, but there are some limitations related to the collections, and if you want to add new pictures you can download it. Otherwise you can go to organize clips and select the picture from there. Then there are steps for adding the picture from clip art. So first step is just click on the clip art icon, and then a clip art task pane appears. Then it contains numerous pictures. So you can select the picture from there, and then before that you have to add a word in the search bar, and then click go button. Then a collections of pictures related to that topic or that word appears. Then you can select the picture, just drag it on the slide area. Okay, so here examples, searching the word Mercury and then click go. So what happens? The picture of Mercury will appear on the right side, means task pane, and then just click here, click the Mercury picture and then drag it into the slide area. Then next, how to add a picture from a folder. For example, there is a limited collections of pictures in the clip art. So if you want to add a picture of yours or any other picture related to your presentation which is downloaded from the internet and you saved in your computer hard disk, and then you want to add that picture from there and insert it on your slide. So what will you do? First you can go to the folder and then select that required picture and then insert it in your slide. So what are the steps? First step is to add a picture file. First click on the insert picture icon. That means on the middle of the slide area you can see there is an icon named picture icon. So click there and it will goes to a dialog box. Which dialog box? Insert picture dialog box. It opens and select the required picture from there. For example, downloads or desktop, library, etc. So select the picture and then there is a button at the bottom, that is insert button. So click the insert button. So what happens? It will be displayed on your slide area. So here a picture of solar system, then that will be inserted in your slide area. The next is applying some styles to the pictures. Some styles means after adding the picture you can apply some various styles into the picture. So to provide various styles, first select the picture and then click on the format tab. When we select the picture, the contextual tab appears. So you can go to design, format, etc. So go to format tab. It contains 3 options. What are the options? Picture shape, picture border and picture effect. So picture shape means you can add a shape and then you can add some colors using picture color or picture border. That means you can add some color to that border. Then next, picture effects like side view, front view, or top view, etc. So you can add some views or effect to this picture like this. So this is an oval shaped. So this is a side view, and this is a slightly slanting position. Then some shading behind the picture. There is a rounded rectangular shape. So and in this picture the arrows are something lines, etc. So you can select every shape or effects using the format tab. And when you will take the pointer over the different styles, a preview of that image will be appeared on the slide. So these are the things. So let's wind up this class and we will continue later. Thank you.